Hello and welcome to Lab TV's Making Slime Challenge. We're working on making some slime today and Lucas thinks he has the best method of making slime, so we're going to let him try it out. Alright Luke, tell us how to do it.
Okay, so what you need is a clear cup, glass, anything, and fill it about halfway with water. Then put about some borax, about, I don't know.
A quarter cup?
Yeah.
Okay.
About a quarter cup.
In with the water.
In with the water, and then you gotta mix it until all the particles of
They're
borax
dissolved in there?
are
Okay.
dissolved, yep. So that's what I'm doing right now.
Okay, and then you're going to add some glue.
Yep, I'm gonna pour some glue into that bowl.
Okay.
Once this dissolves, and then I'll slowly pour in the water with the glue, and then while stirring it. So yeah,
Okay.
hopefully this works.
And then when do you put the food coloring in?
Well, I will put it in while I'm mixing it. So
Okay. What color are you going to make your batch?
I'm gonna make it this turquoise color.
Okay. Okay, Anna, what are you doing? Are you doing the same method Luke's doing?
So
I want to make it perfect.
it's almost done. There's just a couple more in there. Let's see.
Show it to the camera. So for the record, this is the adults version. Didn't come out right. We tried to follow the directions on the internet and it sticks to your hands and you really can't use it. But it's pretty.
It's pretty.
So now we're letting the kids do their version.
Right now, I need this spoon actually. I'm gonna pour a little bit of water in at a time,
Okay.
like that much. Start mixing around. And as you can see,
All right,
it's
so
actually kind of forming already.
Yep. You poured the water borax mix into the glue.
Yep.
What do you think, Baz? Yay. Looks like it's
I
working.
need the stuff now.
Food coloring?
Start mixing that. I'm making this super teal.
Okay. I'm not as worried about the color as I am about the consistency. Is it too wet?
Yeah, I think I put a little too much water in.
Okay, so we're back and we're going to try the same method with the littler kids because we think we had the measurements wrong in the last run. So we're
Yeah.
going to mix water and borax together,
Which is what we're doing right now.
and we're doing it a little different because we're doing it in their pans instead of a big cup. They're going to stir it really well until it's all blended together.
Really
I want to mix it. I know, right?
And then you can add your food coloring. Stir, 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 guys.
hard, go like that. Don't spill, don't spill.
All right, we're going to add the food coloring. We're all mixed, and we're going to add the food coloring. Tori's
How
doing
many?
orange.
How many are we doing?
Josie, what color are you doing?
Pink.
And Sebastian, what color are you doing?
He's doing the same one that I did.
The blue. Okay. Couple, 2 or 3 drops.
Three. So squeeze it. Squeeze it as hard as you can. Do it. 1, 2, and then
Tori's
Want
is looking
darker?
really good.
Want darker?
now. I'm gonna mix it really hard.
Oh, look at that, Josie. Nice color of pink. Orangey pink. And we've got blue over here with Sebastian. Okay, we're adding the glue over here
Glue
slowly.
is really chunky.
Go ahead. Squeeze it.
Keep adding the glue, Anna.
Here, Josie, you ready to add the glue? Keep going. Squeeze it. Keep going. Keep going.
Oh, Sebastian's adding his glue.
Keep
Keep stirring.
You're doing it. Look at
Stirring
that.
really fast.
Look at it. It's
The
working.
glue is
Keep going.
dissolved into the food coloring. And the
I think
water
this was
is
too
not.
much water.
Looking good, girls.
Get it all the way to the step all the way
Oh, Josie's doing hers all by herself.
stir it a little
Good
bit?
job.
You guys
Is it empty?
How are the boys doing?
I'm putting in
Okay,
the glue for the slime.
we're gonna go back to the adults method because we think that might work a little better. So Anna's gonna mix water and glue now instead of water with borax.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
The water and the glue are getting mixed together first, then we'll add some food coloring, and then we'll add the borax. Grab the pink,
Passy.
add a couple drops. That's plenty.
Now mix.
Just sprinkle it in on it.
Yeah, sprinkle and stir. You stir
Yep.
while she's doing it. Yeah, yours is done. It's not gonna get any
That's good. That's
better.
good for now. That's good for a little bit. All right, go ahead and pour some in. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
All right, well, we're gonna cut away and we'll come back with the results of all the methods of making slime in just a few minutes.
Bye.
All right, gang, so we have the results of the Slime Fest 2017 challenge. And the conclusion is mixing the glue together with the water before you add the borax is best.
Which is this one.
Mine.
That was
It
Anna
is.
and Luke's pink concoction. And it came out the best. It's a little gritty, but it's definitely the consistency of slime that slime should be. When we mixed together the borax in the water first, we got this, and basically we made sandcastles because it's all gritty.
Oh,
Now-
I got it too.
Now the one batch that Luke did with mixing the borax in the water first came out okay because he did it very slowly and meticulously, but it's
it
more
was
like silly putty.
Mine
so
looks
it
terrible.
can bounce. Kind of.
It bounces.
Yeah, bounces.
Okay, so when making slime, the lesson is mix the glue with the water, then add the borax slowly.
But don't put as much borax in as we did, because this is a little too much.
A little less borax than,
Yeah.
than what we used, which was a quarter cup per quarter cup of water.
That is bounty.
All right, guys, did you have fun making slime?
Yeah!
All right.
Big hands.
We're going to sign off now. Everybody say, please subscribe to our channel
Please subscribe to our channel.
and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video.
Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video.
All right, see you next time.
Bye!